born to be free.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Energy on the truck, boy.
Not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours.
Good morning! What's up, everybody? Where's my music, bro? There we go. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? How's everyone doing this morning? I know what y'all are probably thinking, man. Geo! What intro music was that? Guys, we're gonna get to it, man. We're gonna get to it, but make sure you hit the like button. Let me say hi to everybody who's in the chat. Ox the doctor, yo, man, you guys will never be first again. I will take first every single time. Anyways, good morning, everybody. Ayan, what's up, brother? Crypto Novo's back again. My dog, let's go. Tommy Luck, what's up, brother? How are you? Alta says good morning. Rendell, you'd be surprised by the energy fasting gives me. Oof. I do fast. I never eat ever. Dice, my dog, says first. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Bird next door, shouts out to you, bro. Geo is like Vitalik in the Discord. Merge, surge, splurge, verge, motherfucking purge. Guys, how do I sound? Do I sound good? Geo, where's my treadmill? It's right here. It's beside me. Should I hop on the treadmill? I tell you long ago. Oh, Wild Rancid, what's up, my brother? How are you, my friend? How are you, bro? Self-merge. Let's get it. Let's get it. Technical issues. Dice, bro. Listen, that the stream was delayed because of that. Let's get money. Let's get money. Friday, and I'm sounding beautiful. Let's get it, baby. Fire the DJ. Yo, you don't like it? Bro, are you the one that hates all my music always? Man, listen, there's a reason why that was the intro this time. Yo, bro, I should do the walking. That was more involving. What does that mean? Like I should start walking again? Here, hold on. Let me get the treadmill. Seems like y'all want the treadmill today. One sec. Ba-ba-ba. Oof. All right. All right, man. All right, man. I tell you long ago. How fast should we get it? I sound better than Tino. Better than Tino. Oh, baby. Kingfish is in the chat. Keys Van Den Bosch is in the chat. What's up, man? What's up, guys? Listen, Bitcoin took a dump yesterday. And Matt, shouts out to you, bro. Bitcoin took a dump yesterday. And I literally told you so. I literally told you so. So we're going to recap, man. We're going to talk about what we can maybe, possibly, potentially, somewhat, kind of, perhaps expect over the weekend. Okay, we're gonna give you guys the sauce, as the New Yorkers say every single time. Mr. Fives, what's up, brother? Good morning. How are you? Crypto Shredder says smash the likes, and Charant says bootcamp and secret giveaway. Guys, bootcamp and secret giveaway is correct, okay? And it's double or nothing. So 175 likes throughout the stream. And I am streaming for max 2 hours. Max. All right? We already shaved 8 minutes off. 175 likes. One of you will win a boot camp. One of you will win a second prize. Ooh, a surprise prize. So make sure you hit the like button, guys, like as always. And we will get right into it here. This ain't crypto music for sure. Unlike your favorite crypto YouTubers, Davey, sir, or ma'am. Probably sir. Your picture's a sir, so at least I'm assuming. Please don't cancel me for assuming. I don't even remember. Oh, yeah. But I got the best script. I got the best music in all of copyright-free music. I got the best versions of it. That dead cat bounce after the dump. Okay, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, man. Okay, guys, 175 likes, 2 giveaways. Let's talk about what's going on with Bitcoin. So, man, look. Yesterday, we ranged, okay? We know this. Yesterday, we ranged. We were trading this range all day. People, all day. You know what? I'm actually going to let my previous self talk. Because I talk a lot. Let's let my previous self talk today. Hold on. Hold on. Let's look at yesterday's live stream. Okay. Let's pause this. Let's watch yesterday's live stream. Don't be ignorant. Don't look at these other. Watch this. Watch this. Is the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergence. Oh wow, the same song is playing while I'm at this part that I'm showing you. That's crazy. Okay, watch what I said yesterday. Okay, listen. Money flow would still be on its way up, and therefore money flow would also be diverging, which is the strongest sign for price to go higher, because money flow is diverging and momentum waves are diverging. And if you have money flow and say, okay, we have 2 zones that we could like be looking at. It's alarming. Where are the divergences? Right here. 8 hours. Okay, so let me just recap real quick, just in case you're new here, just in case you're getting here for the first time. Literally yesterday's stream, during yesterday's stream, we were talking about divergences. Guys, today I have a Market Cipher video coming out, and the video is basically talking about Market Cipher's money flow, in that how it's a filter, how you can kind of determine whether or not you're getting into good trades. And like, there's a lot of fire. So if you're new here and you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Literally yesterday on stream, not only did I tell you guys, yo, boys, it is time to close the longs, which I literally said word for word. It's somewhere in the timestamps. Mods, if you can find where it is on yesterday's time, yesterday's stream was only an hour. Yesterday's stream was only an hour. I think it's in the first like 20 minutes or something. Actually, you know what? I'll find it quick. Don't even worry. Anyways, I was saying, guys, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. We never had divergences. Watch. 8 hour, we have a red dot. 6 hour, we got money flow coming out. And even if you don't know anything about TA, man, the number 1 rule is the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. That is the number 1 rule. Why did we not have any divergences here? It's alarming. Where are the divergences? We did. Okay, so I was on the 2 hour time frame yesterday, guys. I was on the 2 hour time frame yesterday, and I was just saying yesterday alone while we were up here, I'm like, okay, what's the number 1 rule that Geo coined? What's the number 1 rule, guys? The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. I say it 100 times a day, literally. I tell you guys this a million times. You're probably dreaming about it. You're probably you probably have a nightmare where I'm screaming at you over the internet saying, guys, what are you doing? The thicker the money flow, the more chance of that. You probably have that. Anyway, so I'm like, okay, well, money flow is relatively thick here on the 2-hour time frame. Okay, I mean, pretty substantially thick. Okay, and we never had any divergences. And if the rule is the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences, where are the divergences? Why did we not have any divergences? That should have been your first clue. Nobody should have been swing longing yesterday. I don't even care. After you have that much of a move to the downside, you would think, okay, it's time to go up. And you would think, okay, we're playing the range, and yeah, it is time to go up. And you know what? I would say you are correct, but you need to know when the range is gonna go up or when it's not. And the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. We're gonna talk about this dump that's going on right now as well. Okay, we're gonna talk about it. The thicker the money, thicker the money flow, the more the thicker the divergences, the more chances of money flow. That's funny. That's funny. Anyway, so we were talking about it yesterday, and then yesterday, as everybody got super bullish up here, also in the stream. Let's find it. I'm gonna find it. Okay, so right here, we were following market structure, were we not yesterday? I literally told you I'm gonna find it. I'm so gonna find it. I literally said, boys, it's time to close the longs. Watch. Listen, which is nice. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Way lower in the long run. It's not like that. I'm gonna find it. Oh, you know what I could do? Okay. Let's clean some of this stuff up right now. Let's clean that. Let's clean this. Close. Let's dump the VWAPs. Oh, I found it. This is our important level right here, man. This 5 minute. This 5 right here. Okay. We should be closing the longs. See that? Yesterday. Hello. Yesterday. What was the price? 42504. 42504. $2,000 ago. I literally I'm gonna replay that. I'm gonna replay it right now. Using the longs from here. Okay, so look, Bitcoin 15-minute structure is bearish. We tapped into this order block, and now the 5-minute structure is bearish. So longs should be closed. Okay, we should be closed. Gio, are you wearing the same shirt as yesterday? Yes, I absolutely am, and it's none of your business. Okay, so I don't know, whatever. Why am I defending myself to you? All right. Now that we talked about yesterday, let's talk about today. Okay. Now that by the way, also shouts out to this dude who said this didn't age well. I mean, homeboy, I told you exactly what was gonna happen, and it happened. So, just saying. Okay. Anyways, that was yesterday. Let's talk about today. I mentioned to you guys that I have a market Cipher video coming out. Okay. I got a market Cipher video coming out today, and I do briefly discuss this in the market Cipher video, and by briefly I mean substantially. And guys, the power of divergences is no joke. Okay, market Cipher is a very powerful tool if you know how to use it, and I go over it in today's video. But when you are getting money flow divergences as well as momentum wave divergences, this is a very, very strong signal. Okay, however, at the same time, it matters where you come from. Okay, what do I mean by where you come from, or where you are in the chart? Your divergences need to make sense. Okay, your divs need to make sense. So we came down, we had a nice divergence, cool, right? Currently, as it stands right now, we stopped in the middle of seemingly nowhere. And guys, I went back and I checked. Maybe I missed something, and if I did, you guys can tell me. But I don't think we stopped for any reason here. I don't know why we stopped here. Maybe I'm missing something. And again, if I am, please let me know in the comments right now. Say, Gio, there was an order block. Gio, there was this. Gio, there was that. Right now, the only thing that I can think of as to why price even stopped here is, technically speaking, okay, you could say that this is wick-based demand. Okay, you could say that. I don't really use wicks like that, especially not this big of a wick. I wouldn't say this is wick-based demand just like that. But nonetheless, you know, you could argue it. Aside from that, there are no golden pockets. There aren't really any important levels, right? We broke Monday's low. Cool. There's no monthlies. There's not really much down here. Okay. And so when you're looking at price in a more macro range of it in a more macro scale. Let's turn on our macro. Man, I forgot being on the treadmill makes it so it's so freaking hard for me to use my mouse. Okay. When you are looking at a more macro range, you can see here, guys, this is our current, let's hide market cipher for a second. This is our current range. Okay. Here's our current range. We have the range high, this SFE that we're watching out for, and we have this, this range low. Okay. And remember, it matters where you are. It matters where your divergences are presenting themselves. Why on earth? Let me ask you a question. You guys know every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. So I'm going to ask you this. I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to ask you. Why on earth do you think that they would send the price all the way down here to not take the liquidity that they did not take? Like, let's recap. Let's recap. Where's my brush? Okay. Right here, this low was put in on December the 10th, okay? A month and a half ago, this low was put in. No liquidity prior to December the 10th has been taken. And actually, no liquidity prior to way then has been taken. We've talked about that till I was literally blue in the face. So, we're not going to talk about it today. But, let me get my TA shades. Get my TA shades. So, December 12th or 10th or whatever, 11th, whatever day this is, no liquidity has been swept. Okay? I know, man, I sound like a broken record. What did we do? We swept the liquidity to the upside like 10 freaking times. Okay, fine. But to the lows, no liquidity has been swept. Even this gigawick, right? This like big dump that we had prior to that got bought right back up immediately because of the whole ETF and all this BS going on. Even this wick was what did not take the major swing liquidity. Okay. Yes, it took this liquidity here. Whoops. Yes, it took this liquidity. Okay. Absolutely it did. Absolutely it took this liquidity. However, if you're looking at things from a more swing perspective, anybody for the past month and a half, anyone that has a brain at least, don't have their stop loss here. They have it here. Okay. They have their stop loss under the entire range low, which we have still, after a month and a half, not swept. So when everybody is saying, oh, ETF, price is going to keep going up, guys, you need to understand that it is literally impossible for it to keep going up because the market, like market makers need to build the liquidity. Okay, if they don't build the liquidity, they can't move the price. The prices, they can only limit in and out based on what you, retail, are marketing in and out. So liquidity needs to be attacked, okay, in order for price to move. It needs to be grabbed. If they have every intention of sending price up from here, they need to convince you, retail, if they're going to keep pushing price up, they need to convince you to short here. And that's essentially why all of these mini ranges within this larger range even happen, right? Why do we get a pump and then we have a range and then we get a dump, right? Why? Well, because they need to basically like attack the scalpers and the day traders' liquidity, but the swing traders have their stop loss beneath here. Okay, and that still has not been taken. There's no liquidity that's been taken for a month and a half. And so that is very important to note, guys. Very, very important to note. And so understanding where we are, and remember, every day I teach you guys how to build the narrative, and that's what we're doing right now. Understanding where we are relative to the more macro picture. I understand, man, you can, hop in the Discord, message everybody and say, oh, it's probably going to do this, it's going to do that, whatever. Sure, right? But it is important to understand where we are in a more macro sense as well. Okay, we need to. You have to understand where we are because we're building our overall narrative. Let's get our... right, we're building our overall narrative here, okay? And I show you guys this, man. Like, I tell you guys this. And so a couple days ago in my VIP section of my Discord, I had this box drawn out, okay? So yes, right now, currently where we're at on the 2-hour time frame, we do have money flow divergences as well as momentum wave divergences. Correct. However, where are the divergences relative to price? And it doesn't make sense that we are going to stop from right here. It just doesn't make sense. There's nothing besides wick-based demand, which I wouldn't imagine is that strong anyways. down here to hold price up. We lost value area low. We came back to retest it and we're rejecting it currently. And there's a bunch of liquidity beneath us that why would we come all the way down here to not take the liquidity again? Remember, we've already been coming all the way down here and not taking the liquidity for the past month and a half. So why would we come and not take the liquidity again? Right? And don't get me wrong. Look, they say the trend is your friend until the end or whatever. Yeah, fine, fair. You could argue that, sure. But eventually it's gonna break. And when we are getting thick money flow the way that we were here, and for the first time ever, and not ever, but in the last month and a half, we finally have like red money flow that is seemingly playing out in a sense that, look, price came down and it's not getting immediately bought up anymore. Look, every single time we dump, we get bought back up. Dump, bought back up. Dump, bought back up. Dump, bought back up immediately. Right? Dump, bought back up. This is the first time where we dump and we stay down. Okay? We are staying down. We're like, Bitcoin right now is like what you guys wish your girlfriend would do. Just stay down. Like, you're not finished yet. You know what I mean? Like, why are you coming up for air? You don't need air. So, you got to understand where we're at. We're stopping in the middle of nowhere. We have all this liquidity beneath us. And yeah, we do have the divergences, the money flow and the momentum wave. Sure. However, we haven't swept liquidity. And this is the first time that we're staying down. And remember, the narrative across the board for the last 4 months has been buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. And sure, for the past 4 months, you would have been right to buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. However, eventually, when you do not buy the dip, or eventually when you buy the dip, it's gonna keep dipping, okay? And so, it's funny because everybody's panicked. Or sorry, I lied. Nobody's panicked. I think YouTube is still super bullish. And it depends on which perspective you have. You know, you could say, oh, Gio, we already dumped 16% to the downside, man. Yeah, you're right. You are absolutely right. We did dump all the way down 18% or whatever it was. But man, look at how up we went. Like, look at how up we went. with zero, guys, zero retracements, zero. And I still don't even consider this a retracement because we still have not even swept macro swing structure. We still have not swept. Let me say that again. It has been 4 months of Bitcoin not sweeping. I'm not saying even closing. I'm not saying Bitcoin needs to go down and stay down here. I'm saying it needs to SFP. Doesn't need to, you can't say need, but Bitcoin has not even SFP'd macro swing structure, okay, for 4 months. This right now currently is the longest in Bitcoin's history that it has not had a 25 plus correction. Okay, the longest, or the last time, I apologize, the last time that Bitcoin went this long without dumping 25% was 2011. Okay, I think either that or this is the first time in history. So we just need to understand that. Now, what are the levels to watch? Well, we do still have thick money flow. We do have the vector candles that we're leaving behind. So we can't say that we're only going to go down. Okay, but what do we know about money flow? What's the number one rule that I say 10 million times? What's the number one rule? The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And right now, on the 4-hour time frame, especially relative to its past, this is the thickest money flow has been. Okay, this is the thickest money flow has been on the 4-hour time frame while within this range. For the last month and a half, the money flow is the thickest in the red that it has been. And guys, I was warning you about this. Don't sit here and say, oh man, like you're telling me now. I was warning you guys about this entire move up. I've been talking about this for like 3 months. Okay, this is the thickest money flow right now that we have on the 4-hour time frame. The number one rule is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And so we can very, very easily come down. It's not that far, guys. You're telling me that the market makers are going to come 1% away from the low on this huge range, right? This $10,000 range. You're telling me that the market makers are going to come 1% away from the low, $400 away from the macro swing low and not sweep it? Not a freaking chance. And guys, listen, we're going to talk about the ETF real quick. You guys know I'm not a newspaper, but I'm still going to tell you. The reason why every single dip or every single dump was bought up right away, instantly, for the past 4 months with no consequences for anybody 100x longing the top, was because of the ETF. Okay, well now guys, the ETF is approved and people were expecting money to flow in, and not only did price not go up, not only did price completely dump, not only was it a buy the rumor sell the news event, but volume is literally as low as it's ever been in this entire range. Volume, you're telling me after the ETF volume just completely died up, when if you think about it logically, volume should be spiking because more people are going to be buying and selling Bitcoin. So this is how you build your narrative, guys. And right now, you know, man, I give my scalp levels all the time. I'm not going to say I'm not long from lower. I'm not going to say that I'm not short from higher. But when you are looking at things on a more macro scale, or sorry, let me rephrase. You have to look at things on a more macro scale because it matters where you are. And so if you catch a couple longs, you know, take profits and shoot for the stars, cool. But if you're in your short from up here, like we said to, you know, perhaps taking some profits if you haven't already. Definitely take profits at this low because we could SFP this low. You got to be aware of that. But this is the more macro stuff, okay? It's the more macro stuff. Now, one last thing and then we'll move in. We'll zoom in here. The last thing is this order block, guys. This 4-hour order block. We've been talking about it for a very long time. Basically, since this range started. Basically, since this low was put in, which is funny, which what we talked about all day. Since December 10th, we've been talking about how we can easily SFP this low into this 4-hour order block and then get a bounce. And here we are a month and a half later, where market makers gave zero, I guess in the last month and a half, they have given some 100x leverage longers some punishment. But here we are a month and a half later with I wouldn't say it's that strong of an order block now. It definitely is. It's still a relevant order block, but because so much liquidity is here, man, I don't know that this SFP is gonna play out because there's so much liquidity. Like, you think that a 4-hour order block will hold up a month and a half of price action? It might. I'm not saying it's not, but we need to be like, okay, well, this might not play out like we thought it would. If this wick, for example, or this wick came down and hit this and SFP'd, fine. But now we got to be a little bit more worried. We got to be a little bit more worried. All right, let me check chat right now. Guys, if we get to 170 likes, what are we at? 83. If we get to 170 likes, I'm doing 2 giveaways, okay? I'm doing a boot camp giveaway and I'm doing a super top secret giga giveaway. All right, let me check the comments real quick here. Yeah, I do have multiple white shirts. I was just playing. King D, you want me to start over, bro? Okay. Guys, today... No, I'm just playing, bro. I can't do that, man. I can't do that. You think we're going to SFP? I do think we're going to take the low, man. I do think we're going to take the low. The foot? Am I on a treadmill? I am, bro. I am. Getting that cardio in. You see the treadmill is popular in the streaming community. Yes, man. I was influenced, and it was the best thing that I did. I haven't used it for the past couple days, but... The thing with me, man, is I have ADHD, and so when I'm working, like when I'm on the treadmill, I don't realize that I'm walking because I'm working, and then I don't realize that I'm working because I'm walking. So it just makes everything go by so fast. Aaron Kastner says 120 watching, smash the like. But yo, guys, if y'all want the boot camp, it's good. Look, I know it. If y'all want the boot camp and the super top secret giga giveaway, then let's get the likes up to 170. And today's gonna be not a short stream, but it's not going to be 2.5 hours. I'll tell you that. That is for sure. So timing is of the essence, as they say. Geo brings the fire. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you very much. The golden pocket is right under that wick. Yeah, there is a golden pocket there as well. BTC became Wall Street's bitch. Good explanation. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Oh, what did I just do? I almost just printed the comments. I didn't mean to do that. Man, this mouse, like aiming with while you're on the treadmill is a little risque. I will say that. I will say that. Yo, bro, sing and pump the Bitcoin. I don't know, man. I'm in the favor of... We're going to zoom in here. We're going to zoom in here. We're going to zoom in here. BTC taking a dump. BTC and I have that in common. Take the wick right into the golden pocket. Yeah, man. So we do have naked pointed controls down here as well. Very good comment. Let's pull that up for you guys. You guys want to mark this down? This is very important. And just like I mentioned in my VIP Discord, this is fully what I'm expecting, and I'm still expecting it. Now things may change, and I update this thing like 10 times a day, so make sure that you join, absolutely. But you know, I called for it, right? Or I'm calling for it. I can't say it hasn't happened yet, but we do have a lot of naked daily points of control, guys. And what I just said about the 4-hour this 4-hour order block potentially not holding up, guys, there are a lot of naked points of control that we can come and attack. So don't be shocked. Listen, don't be like this dude in my comments yesterday that said this didn't age well, when I literally exactly said what was gonna happen, and then it happened. So I don't know what he was referring to. Maybe he was holding like a bad glass of milk and then just decided to tell us but not give us any context. I don't know. But don't be like this dude and say this didn't age well when I tell you this. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but we need to understand that it might happen. These things might happen. You could get, it doesn't even need, I mean, it could be a wick. We could also close down here, but you could get something like this. You could, okay? So don't put limit orders in this order block just expecting that it's gonna go back to new highs. It very well may, but you just need to be aware, guys. Aware. And people are always like, Geo, well, not people, one person or two people are like, Geo, you don't even say anything, man. You say up, you say down, you say that. Bruh, come on now. Come on now. It's all probabilities, guys. Trading is all probabilities. Anybody got a remedy against revenge trading? Yeah, man. Don't do it. Literally don't do it. You know what? Like, I will tell you this. I will tell you something that helps me a lot, okay? Sometimes if I don't zoom out and I don't build a narrative like I do for you guys every single day on stream, sometimes I will catch myself like angry or like trying to revenge trade or anything else, right? Perhaps. And in my opinion, like the best thing you could do, like, man, the market is a psychological fight against yourself, honestly. And when I just calm down and I just like make a plan for myself, you start to like FOMO goes away once you have a plan, because you remember that most times trading is or your price is ranging, and you remember that like it doesn't matter which way it goes, either way you're gonna come and approach your plan. Either way, eventually one of your levels are gonna get hit, and then you can make a decision based on that. And I know that sounds so simple and so like kindergarten, like elementary school, but for me, having a plan and just like I don't know, it kind of calms me down. You don't get FOMO. You're like, okay, well, I'm okay with price. Basically, you build a plan, okay? And you say, all right, I'm not gonna touch price until it comes here or here. And then you like become at peace with the fact that like, okay, you're not gonna touch anything in this section, because you know eventually it's gonna come to here or here. I don't know. I know it sounds like a very obvious answer, but that's just what it is, man. It's literally just that obvious. I like, for me, that helps a lot. That helped me a lot. Them Casper School graduates. Hey, man, there are worse people to learn from. I will say that. Davy says, Geo, thanks to you, Market Cipher B makes a lot more sense. Also, the vector candles were a huge addition. Guys, vector candles are a hack, man. I tell you guys all the time. They are like seeing goggles. That it's like they're like having goggles that can see through clothes. And I'll tell you that something I did not take from Casper University. My vector well, not mine. I didn't create the vector candles. That's all Tino. But my vector candle market cipher strategy. And look, I'm gonna say this, guys. I have the most elaborate market cipher tutorials on YouTube. I'm gonna tell you that. I'm gonna say it. Okay, I like have been staring at market cipher nonstop for 3 years, and I live in the multiverse of market cipher. Okay, I can tell you guys what like, I mean, nothing is for sure, right? I'm still wrong sometimes, but I can give you guys with pretty high probability what market cipher is gonna do, because I've been staring at this thing nonstop for 3 years. Like literally nonstop. I don't watch TV. I don't go to movies. I don't watch Netflix. I watch TradingView. I watch the 1 minute time frame, and I learn how this oscillator oscillates. Okay, I got a fire video coming out today, so All right. You found a nice fractal. BTC is following out. Yeah, maybe. Maybe to the upside. All right. God is in the chat. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Instead of revenge trading, walk away. Man, make your plan and walk away. And just go like... You'll go crazy so zoomed in on the 1 minute. Just make your plan. And then you're like, all right, well, I'm not going to FOMO because it's not like I have no idea what I'm doing. You have this level and you have this level. And then you wait. You know, you set your alerts and you wait. No, all good, bro. I didn't take it in an offensive way. I didn't. But that's sick, man. That's sick. I'm glad that you like, or I'm hoping that you enjoyed his course as well. A lot of my trading is influenced or inspired by Jay. And you know, I've made that very well known. I'm like a combination of Jay and Tino and myself. I have my own twist, building the narrative and all that. I learned how to do that. The vector candles I learned from Tino. You know, the technical analysis I learned from Jay, and then I incorporate, and Market Cipher is all me. Okay, there is no tutorial on YouTube that talks about Market Cipher the way that I do. In depth, the way that I do, none. And by the way, guys, let me just add this real quick since we're talking about it. I have 4 boot camps, okay? One of my boot camps are Market Cipher B and timeframes, and this is a very elaborate boot camp, okay? It's 3.5 hours, or 4 hours, sorry. It is a 4-hour boot camp where I go in depth, and let me just say this. It is hard, okay? It is hard. It is not easy. It is very difficult. And once you get it, you got it. And I take 3 years of knowledge on this indicator and I put it together in 4 hours for you. And it's complicated and it's going to take a couple watches and it's not easy and it's going to take time to learn. But once you get it, you got it. And I'll just leave it like that. Guys, hit the like button. If we can get to 170 likes by the end of the stream, 170 likes, I'm giving away one of my boot camps of your choice. And I am also giving away a super secret, top secret prize. So make sure that you hit the like button. Let me read the comments here. What's going on? Been there, done that, revenge trading. Yeah, man, I'm telling you. I need to make my money back. Go in front of the mirror and slap yourself. Exactly. Yo, shouts out to Ayan, 100%. Man, if you revenge trade, you're just gonna get wrecked. You're just gonna get wrecked. And guys, let me tell you this, man. Look. Okay, the thing I said before was obvious. Let me say this. Let me tell you this. 95% of the time, price is not on the move. Okay? 95% of the... Okay, not 95. Maybe like 80% or 90% of the time. 80% of the time, whatever. Price is just consolidating. It's doing nothing. So you can just build your plan within that section. But most of the time, price is not even moving anyways. Okay? Why am I telling you this? Why is this important? If you can make if you can make your plan and you can get really good with your levels and your accuracy, you can start to, like, those levels that when price gets to are the most reactionary, you know, like price is going to react way more at 45 or 45.5, 45.9, whatever it is. Price is going to react here a lot more than when price is just consolidating and doing nothing. So you want to get rid of that. You want to get rid of the FOMO and get rid of like the revenge trading and all that. Man, when you revenge trade, 9 times out of 10, you're revenge trading because you went the wrong way or price moved or whatever. Man, price is the most reactive anyways when it gets to one of your levels. And wouldn't you rather, instead of revenge trading or anything else, wouldn't you rather get into a trade and know that you're right off the bat? Man, the worst thing that can happen is what's it called? The worst thing that can happen is like you're in a trade and then you're just like, you're stressed and you're worried, you're maybe over leveraged or over position sized or whatever because you're revenge trading, and like, man, for what? What's the purpose of that? When price gets to a level and you get really confident with your levels, price is going to react from that level. It's going to react hard from that level. Okay, hard. Like this 4-hour order block, if we're going to get a bounce from it, it's going to happen quick. It's not going to be like a small amount of time. And so if you see what you want to see on Market Cipher V, you take your trade when you're in here, you will know right away if you're right or wrong. Man, that's the best way to trade in my opinion. Scalping can get a little bit scary. God, what's up, my brother? Bro, would I say market maker always try to push up price to the nearest untapped liquidity? I wouldn't say always, but yeah. Again, I wouldn't say always. And remember, in order for somebody to buy, somebody has to sell. In order for somebody to sell, somebody has to buy, okay? If market makers are pushing the price up with a nice green vector candle, they are limit selling, right? They are limit selling. And so when you, bro, I don't know when you got in here, but I built a narrative earlier in the first like half an hour of the stream, and it's super important, man, like to understand where you're at. So yes, I do believe that this is going to get recovered. Why? Because when you have a range and you see vector candles within your range, more times than not, we have, look, red vector gets recovered, green vector gets recovered, red gets recovered, green gets recovered, right? Green recovers it with the red, then the red gets recovered. And so just by a matter of probabilities, this red vector, because we're still within the range, remember, range-based vectors are very likely to get recovered, okay? Range-based vectors are very likely to get recovered. And so what does make sense to me right now is to come down, tap the naked daily point of control that is in this 4-hour order block, maybe wick it out, maybe come a little bit lower. It's hard. This SFP is going to be hard. Don't try to catch the knife. I'm telling you here first. Maybe not first, but I'm telling you here. Don't try to catch the knife. But maybe come down, get a huge wick, and then continue to move back to the upside to recover this vector. Yes, I do think that that is possible. Oh, man. Guys, I lost my big water bottle. I don't know. I have no idea where it is. All right, CBK says, I'm still learning different trading techniques from different veteran traders. This vector and order block, along with Cipher and all the rest are... only making your trading better. Cool, man. I'm glad. Gio, does the market Cipher B bootcamp teach how the money flow comes? Yes, it does. So, bro, listen, let me say this. CFA or CFI, I don't know how to say that. Basically, market Cipher B it has a lot in it, and it's advertised as such an easy indicator, but it's not that easy. And basically, there is an order of operations, okay? There's an order of operations when it comes to market Cipher. And essentially, your order of operations is that your VWAP is leading for your momentum waves, and your momentum waves are leading for your money flow, okay? And each oscillator has its own speed in which it oscillates. So your VWAP will oscillate this fast, your momentum waves will oscillate this fast, and then your money flow will oscillate this fast, okay? That is very important for reasons that I cover in the bootcamp. And then when you pair that with the fact that time oscillates, the 1 minute oscillates like this, the 5 oscillates like this, the 1 hour oscillates like this. When you pair those two together, man, that is when you can enter the multiverse of market Cipher. And I want you guys to join with me. I want you guys to win. Join me in my multiverse, in my multiversal of market Cipher. I have videos, by the way. I have a video series. My last 2 videos kind of talk about this. So go watch these 2 videos. If you guys are unsure about the bootcamp, go watch these 2 videos. I have a third one that is like this that's coming out today. Okay? I have a third one. Watch the series and then decide if you want to get in. It's very complicated, man, and it's very confusing, and the disclaimer is there. Speaking of disclaimer, oh man, I forgot. I got to do a disclaimer. All right. Guys, this is my disclaimer, okay? Pay attention. This is very important. Gio. Or sorry, why did I say that? All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. Justin Trudeau is a virgin. I hate that guy. Always do your own research. Viewer discretion is advised. Okay, now that I covered my own ass, let's see what the chat is saying, man. Yo, can I show you how to find the naked daily point of control without having paid trading view? I have literally no idea how to do that. I will tell you this. Let's come to our volume little tab here. Let's hide all this macro stuff. I will say this, bro. Una matina. Man, I wish there was like a shortcut key where I could like assign to each folder and I just tap the letter like on the keyboard and then it just turns on and off. That would be so much easier. Anyways, okay. I genuinely don't know if these are paid indicators. So one of them is called SVP you could use. If SVP is a premium indicator, then you can try PVP. If PVP is a premium indicator, then I have literally no idea. And I suggest you Google it or YouTube it. I have no clue. This is the only way that I know how to do it, aside from using Exo charts, but Exo charts is even more expensive than TradingView. So there's that. There is that. Una matina. All right, so we are below the VWAP currently. We are below the WAP. Below the WAP. All right, let's come in locally, man. Let's see what's going on locally here. Una matina. You can take Gio seriously as a hype man and DJ, however. Yes, you can. Hell yeah, you can. What and where need commented to participate in the drawing bootcamp? Well, if and when we get to 170 likes, that is when I will let you know the information. And remember, we are not just giving away boot camps, we're giving away the VIP as well. I just told you the surprise. Okay, guys, the cat's out of the barrel then. I guess we're gonna go down there. I guess I gotta explain that next. I didn't mean to do that. Do you have ever thought of ADHD meds? Nah, man. It's not real. If I don't believe it, it's not real. What happened to the cats are snakes disclaimer? Hey, and bro, the truth is, brother, is the idea is to change this sentence every single time, and I haven't gotten to change I forgot to change the Justin Trudeau's a virgin thing. I was gonna change it to something that I say all that like random stuff every single time. It's gonna be a new thing. But don't worry, cats absolutely are still snakes with fur. They absolutely are. Don't get it twisted. Cats suck. There we go. Yellow X on the 4-hour Bitcoin. Yeah, man. Let's see if we can dump this, baby. Let's go. Goodbye. Goodbye, Bitcoin. We're gonna have a funeral for you soon. Man, just remember, guys, the number one rule. The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Does this money flow look thick to you? Yes, it does. Did we diverge? No, we didn't. It's not that hard. It is so not that hard. Okay. Since I accidentally mentioned it, and I'm sure one of you guys are soon enough going to ask me for the VIP code. Guys, we have an announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been telling you guys for a while now that VIP is no longer going to be free, and the day has come. There are no more VIP codes. There is no more free VIP. Okay? Today's second secret giveaway is going to be a VIP giveaway. Okay? It's going to be you're going to get free VIP for 3 months. Okay? This is how the new VIP is going to work, guys. The new VIP. The link is in the description down below on wap.com. This paid VIP button, you are going to pay $13 a month for my VIP. I have good news and I have bad news, okay? Yeah, there we go. There's the comment. There we go. I got good news and I got bad news. The bad news for you guys is that it's going to be paid, okay? Now, the VIP code or the VIP price is increasing. And the VIP price is increasing on Monday. Okay? This Monday. In other words, 3 days from now. This price will remain, and this price will be honored for everybody that purchases it until Monday, basically. Monday prices go up, okay? Monday prices go up. But I'm gonna tell you guys the good news, man. I'm gonna tell you guys the good. Listen, guys, look. Y'all can come at me. Y'all can come at me. I'm sorry. I've been giving it free for like 9 months now. It's been a premium product. I've also given a free alternative for a long, long time. You guys, man, you guys know. You guys have been around. Y'all know the value that it comes with. Y'all know that the levels get hit. Y'all know that I update it like 500 times a day. That's obviously an exaggeration, okay? Y'all know that. Get it now, people. You guys know that, man. So then you should know very well that you can make your $13 a month back. $13 a month. Prices go up on Monday. Okay? So get it by Monday. I cannot promise that prices will never go up for everybody, because as I find new traders, as I find staff eventually, perhaps price will go up, but you will always be warned. You will always be given notice, and I will always be fair. I will always be fair. Okay? So, Monday, $12.99. In spite of my new VIP, I'm doing a 3-month giveaway for my VIP alongside my boot camp, okay? Now, the benefit of this, not only has it been a premium product that I've given away for free for so long, the good news is because it is a premium product now officially, in that nobody can just get in and have it for free and whatever, I am going to start doing VIP live streams. When I'm doing my technical analysis, we will do it on live. You guys will be able to join. You guys will be able to ask me questions during my VIP streams. When it is time for me to enter a trade, if I'm around and I'm on my computer or whatever, I will go live in the Discord. So we're talking 1, 2, 3 live streams a day, potentially. I'm not sitting on my computer all day long and I'm like, no. But you guys know I update this thing 10 times a day, and I will be going live and I will be trading with you guys a lot more often. And most importantly, look, we have this channel, this weekly VIP Q&A. So while I'm doing my VIP streams, while I'm doing my technical analysis, it is you guys can talk to me. It's not just me doing it and me posting the levels and you not knowing it. I will show you. I will walk you through my process. I will do all my, like, everything. It's going to be right in front of your eyes. Building the narrative. I'm going to be thinking to myself, whatever. So there is a plus side to it. All that for $13 and a month. So you're paying like 33 cents a day for all that. Not 33 cents a day, like 40 cents, 45 cents a day for that. I think it's a good deal. VIP is the free VIP is no longer a thing. GeoBot is gonna get his ass booted from my Discord. Despite how handsome he is. All right, that is the news, guys. That is the news. So let's get those likes button, man. Let's get those likes up, and you guys can win the boot camp, and you guys could win something else. Tell me what you like. Tell me what your name. You will be leaving. What are we at? 125. What are the people saying? What are the people saying? Guys, I am currently short. I don't think I'm long right now. I do not believe I am long. What's the price of new VIP? We'll find out, man. We'll find out. Can I give you a promo code? Man, you guys have had it free for 9 months. For 9 months, y'all had it free. For 9 months. For 9 months. Price of new VIP will be announced on Monday, guys. It will be announced on Monday. How long we been streaming for? Almost 1 hour. Okay. All right, let's see what's going on here locally for BTCZ. Sing a song and dump it to $1. Here, let's hit one of our dumb songs. Oh, actually, that would have been a pump song. I lied. I totally lied. I totes lied. Promo for the OGs. Well, the OGs, guys. Do I take payment in sexy time? Always, bro. Yo, listen, the OGs, man. Y'all are considered an OG right now if you go and get it for 13. Whoever's buying it now is buying it for 13. Same with whoever's had it the whole time. Will the VIP feature me singing? Yes, it will. And I will, and it will be me singing to copyrighted songs, so it'll be a lot better. Guys, y'all know what time it is, man. I gotta be right back in 5 minutes. You guys know how it is. I'll be right back. It is what it is.
I'm finding ways to articulate the feeling I'm going through. I just can't say I don't love you, 'cause I love you. Yeah, it's hard for me to communicate the thoughts that I hold, but tonight I'm gonna let you know. Let me tell the truth. Baby, let me tell the truth. Pull us apart, it ain't working, 'cause you're perfect, and I know that you're worth it. I can't walk away.
Alright guys, we are bumping. I mean dumping, not bumping. Am I still looking to get a new indicator? Okay, when did I say I was looking to get a new indicator? Can you buy back crypto? Right now, no, but I'm gonna see if I can get that as an option.
I'm finding ways to manipulate the feeling you're going through.
Yo, how's my workout plan? Bro, my workout plan right now is like not great. Oh, okay, we're dumping. Let's go. Goodbye. Goodbye, BTC.
You won't find no one that's better, 'cause I'm right for you, baby.
You'll just subscribe your way into it. I might do pop-up shows every now and then for like a day. Give y'all a free trial. Getting paid by VIP right now is like buying Bitcoin when it was 15. You said it, bro. You said it. Alright, so let's go over here real quick. Remember, the thicker the mindful, the more chances of divergences. Right now on the 30, we are potentially, well, actually not potentially, we are getting a divergence. Let's see if we can come lower. Let's see. So on the 15, look at these VWAPs, man. So on the 15 right now, we are getting the money flow divergences. We're not getting the momentum wave divergences. And remember, it matters where we are. Oh. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Remember, guys, it matters where we are relative to our overall macro trend here. Not trend. Our overall macro range. Okay, so I fully expect to come and take the low, and we might come take the low right now today. We might come now and take it. Let's see. Let us see. We do have a potential trade setup down here. We do. We do got order blocks down here, and we have our macro range. Guys, for me, I'm not interested in any longs until we come and take this low. I am not interested until we come take this low. I'm just not. Bump that shit up. I can't hear the music. It's funny, man. That is funny. That is so funny. I'm not interested. Anything in between, man, I'm not interested. I'm not. We stopped in the middle of nowhere. You could say, oh, yeah, we just SFP'd the low. We could pump to 10 million from here. I am not interested in this little mini range. I want to come take this low. I want to come take this low. Market Cipher B looks primed right now. Thick red money flow. Thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Nice red dot. Looks primed to, at the very least, come down and take 40,000 and 100, right? Which is this low. But then you got to think 4,100. Okay, maybe some people will put their stop losses a little bit You know what those guys have, guys? You know what they have? They got hopium. They have high hopes. They got high hopes, baby. Yo, guys, if I have helped provide you value in any way, let's get a pointing up emoji right now. If I've helped provide you value in any single way whatsoever, I made your life better. I made your trading better. I opened up your eyes to the market makers. Let's get the pointing up emoji right now. Let's get it. Let's see. Let's show our peers. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I stream every single day and I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. Let's get our party, baby. Finger pointing up, baby. If I've made your life any better, these bulls, bro, they're too bullish. I've been saying it for a long time. They got high hopes.
Wanted everything. Mama said, don't give up. It's a little complicated. All tied up, no more love. And I'd hate to see you waiting. Had to have high hopes for a living. Shooting for the stars when money make a killing. Didn't have a time, but I always had a vision. Always had high hopes. Always had high hopes for a living. Didn't know how, but I always had a feeling. I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. Had to have. Stay up on that rise, stay
It's
up
a
on
little
that rise,
complicated.
never come down. Oh, stay up on that rise, stay up on that rise, and never come down. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated. All tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. They say it's all been done, but they haven't seen the best of me.
Shouts out to God.
So I got one more
The Bulls got high hopes, baby. Dump it! Come on, baby. Let's see what we want to see, man. Let's see what we want to see. That didn't even make sense, but I said it, and I'm not taking it back. Let's see if we see what we want to see. Let us see if we see what we want to see. Makes us baller, better, faster, stronger, yeah. Yeah, dumping, baby. Come on now. Give me that TP. Give me that TP. Let's hit the... Where did I put my TP at? Let me see. Man, just dump it. You know what? Yesterday also, guys, I was also saying this. After the stream in the Discord, in the VIP section, I made an update. And I'm like, yo, also, there's no way that this is the low. Like, we haven't had a nice fast wick down. Like, your real lows will give you this wick. We'll give you this wick. We'll give you this wick, this wick. Just like your real highs give you wicks, wicks, wick. Where was the wick here? What was yesterday's party song? I don't know, bro. We flipped back and forth. Was it the money song? Was it the money song, bro? No, no more free VIP. $13. And then on Monday, prices go up. It's a premium product, guys. You guys had a free trial for like 8 months. 9 months. But you get more out of it, man. You get more. You get more out of it. Around the world, around the world, around the world. Come on, BTCZ! The world around the world, yeah. Baby things, go back and watch. I talk about it in the stream. You get live streams, you get VIP live streams. I'm gonna do my TA with you guys live. You guys can ask me questions while I'm doing my TA. It's gonna be not that it's not already, but you guys are gonna get you guys are gonna get like, it's gonna be more, what's the word? You're gonna get more, what's the word I'm looking for? More man, I'm ADHDing right now. You guys are getting more, what's the word I'm looking for? Interactive, a more interactive experience. Not that I'm not already super interactive in the Discord. Man, I don't know what that was, guys. It's Friday, man. It's been a long, dumpy week. Been a long ass week. Let's do a funeral for GeoBot. That's a good idea. We should do a funeral. And we should do a funeral for Bitcoin too. Because Bitcoin here, let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it. Hey guys, we're gonna have a funeral right now. We're gonna have a funeral for two things. Okay, the GeoBot, guys, the GeoBot has deceased. So can we please have a moment of silence? And as the GeoBot deceased, we are also in the midst of Bitcoin also deceasing, dying, going to hell. So let's all have a moment, guys. Put on black if you have black. I'm gonna put on black. Let's put on black. Let's have a moment together, guys, while Bitcoin and my GeoBot dies.
Foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. And I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you.
You know what, guys? Can we get some roses in the chat? Let's get some roses in the chat. And some doves. Wait, I'm not ready, but let's restart it. We're gonna restart it.
No one could save me but you. Strange what desire will make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. And I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love with you. Oh, with you.
I'm gonna stop the treadmill.
The world was on fire, no one could save me but you. Strange what desire will make foolish people do.
Roses, guys, roses.
I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you.
Guys, this is actually very sad.
Like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love.
Oh no.
No, I
sad.
World was on fire.
So sad.
No one could see.
So sad. Goodbye, big boy. Goodbye, Geobot. You're so sexy. I love you. Guys, that was kind of sad, man. That was kind of sad. Honestly, that was kind of sad. That was kind of sad, man. So sad. R.I.P. to my bot, man. Yeah, actually, this is a good comment here. This is too sad. You're celebrating. Okay, how about this? Look. Guys, the truth is every funeral is you mourn and then you celebrate the life they had. So we are going to celebrate moving forward, okay? So we don't want to stay down. We don't want to stay down. One more time, guys, for the next 5 minutes. While you guys hit the like buttons for me so that I can do a giveaway and we can move into this new chapter together. This is Don't Let Me Down. Thank you, TXM. No more codes, bro. No more codes. Yeah, from sadness to naked frog. Come on, baby. Let's go. Don't let me down. Losing my mind now. It's in my head. Darling, I hope that you'll be when I need you the most. So let's go. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Reaching out, call your name when you're not around. True that, bro, true that. Hit a wall. Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Yo, dump it. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come to Papa, baby. Come to Papa. What was your question, bro? Come on, baby. Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Crashing. Hit a wall right now. Man, wait for the next drop. Wait, y'all should be able to hear. Can you guys hear me? Hold on, can you guys hear me? The echo? Echo! Can you guys hear me? You should be able to. Wait, hello, mic check. Yeah, you guys can hear me. Crashing. I need you, babe. All right, this is the one. The next drop here. The next drop here. I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So, goodbye, Bitcoin. Goodbye. The bulls are screaming, don't let me down. Goodbye, Bitcoin. Down, 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 down. Bye, Bitcoin. Bye, bulls. Bye, bulls. Okay, guys, listen, man. Oof, I need water. It's getting hot, and I lost my bottle. Okay, yo, we're coming in, taking the low. All right, let's come in. Let's zoom in. 3-minute time frame right now. What do we know? The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. However, as we are taking the low, we are getting money flow divergences over time. I am gonna get my finger ready to long. I am not longing. I am going to get my finger ready to long. Don't be stupid. I'm gonna get my finger ready, boy. We gonna get the finger ready. We gonna have our fingers on the trigger. Fingers on the trigger. Let's see what we see, man. Wow, exciting. Excite Bitcoin. Guys, be careful here, okay? It can get ugly, and it can get ugly quick. Okay? So don't be stupid with it. It can get ugly, and it can get ugly very, very quick. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. All right. What's the chat saying? Oh, man. Chat is so far away on my thing. Okay, hold on. All right. So right now the 3 is looking not great. We are getting money flow divs. We just need to remember the significance of these levels. Let's turn on our naked daily point of controls so that we're aware of where they are. Let's come to the 5. Okay, 5 is looking like we could just go boom boom really quickly. We could. Let's come to the 2. 2-minute time frame also is giving us divergences. Not really what I want to see though. Not really, but it still could work. Now, I'm going to say this, and I'm going to say this again, even though I've already said it multiple times, okay? Guys, this is a potentially very difficult SFP to trade. This is a month and a half of liquidity, and this is us taking the very first low. This is us taking the very first swing low for the first time in 4 months. Okay? First time taking a swing low for 4 months. So, don't, like this could drop way more than this level. Way more. Okay? We could be at 38K in like 5 minutes. We could be. So just don't be stupid. Okay? Don't be dumb here. And also guys, listen, every single day I teach you guys to think like a market maker, and I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does, correct? Okay, so think, what's happening right now? Think, oh, Bitcoin is getting its bounce, we have the divergences, people are longing. Oh yeah, we're gonna hold support, we've been holding support. People are longing. This is market makers trapping people into thinking, look, what's happening here? What's happening in this green candle? When you see a green vector candle, what's happening? This is retail longing right now. Okay, we're getting our bounce. Let's long. They are building more liquidity. Whoever's longing here has their stop under this low. So it might take long. It might take long. They might manipulate the range, like this little, like very local, like down here. They might manipulate all of it. They could just come down very quickly. But they, like, if they don't, they're dancing around. I told you guys, I'm not interested in any longs until we take this low, and preferably we take, at the very least, this naked daily point of control at 39.5. I am not interested in longs until 39.5, at the very least. If it goes up to 100 from here, then it goes up to 100 from here. But I am not. I am not interested in any longs until we take some liquidity for the first time in a month and a half, but really for the first time in 4 months. All right, 20 likes away from our giveaways. 20 likes. And I hope we get it, man, because I gotta go, man. What time is it? How long has it been? An hour and a half? Hour and a half. And the time between us, it'll Never change my mind, cause baby, I will die for you. Na 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 na. Ooh, this is a good song. Bro, you missed a lot. You missed a lot. If you paid, then yeah, you get access to VIP. You get access automatically, bro. So the way that it works is you come over to WAP, you click this, you pay, you make sure that your Discord is connected to WAP, and then you'll get the role automatically. You were listening to the disclaimer. Wait, which part do you agree with? Oh, take care, brother. Have a good one. Have a great weekend. I will see you Monday, and I'll see you guys later in the Discord. Or I'll see you later in the Discord. 9 million longs just came in. You know what I'm thinking. Thanks. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get water and go pee. I look Armenian, but just realized I'm Georgian. I'm neither, bro. I'm neither. I'll be back. I need my phone. I'm sweating, man.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep. 'Cause they'd fill the open air and leave teardrops everywhere. You'd think me rude, but I would just stand and stare. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. 'Cause I'd get 1,000 hugs from 10,000 lightning bugs as they tried to teach me how to dance. A foxtrot above my head, a sock hop beneath my bed, a disco ball is just hanging by a thread.
Self-believe that planet Earth turns slowly. Alright, man, alright. Oh, Trudeau. Wait, you do agree or you don't agree with that? Hey, I actually don't even remember what you said. Oh, you do agree with one of it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Nightmare, bro. That guy is a nightmare. That guy is a disaster. Tommy says, what, 19 more legs? Or he's got to buy the Marcus Cipher B course. Hey, it's fire, man. It's hard. It is hard. Okay? Listen, one of the questions that I got, that, like, it's interactive, right? One of the questions was, Gio, I have so much to ask. I have so many questions and no idea what to ask. Like, it's hard. But I take you into the multiverse. It's not supposed to be easy. It's not supposed to be easy. All right, man. The whole market is dumping. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Stop playing with me right now. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Let's get our Giga Wick, man. Let's wreck the longs for once. Actually, I'm gonna set more TPs like pretty low just in case. Let's set some more TPs. Where can we TP? Where else? Here, 30. Man, we could come all the way down to like 37. I'm gonna TP here. Let's TP. Let's set our TPs. Take profits. Let's set some at 38.8. Why not? Yeah, 38. We'll go 8. I don't know. 07. 38.807. We'll set one at 38.840. Oh, that was supposed to be 37.805. Nice, nice. All right, we got some more TPs in play. Come on, baby. Give me that Giga Wick, man. Stop playing with me, Bitcoin. Don't play with me. We already know what you're gonna do. Give me the loot. Fall asleep. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth. Did I catch the short? Yes, I did catch the short. I'm short on 3 different accounts right now. When I'm asleep. Hey, one sec, guys. I'm gonna black out for a sec. Not trying to accidentally leak something. I'm back. Okay, we're about to hit we're about to hit like 2 TPs on 2 different accounts. Come on, Bitcoin, give me the low. Give it to me. Stop playing with me. Stop teasing. It's teasing. Don't stop believing. Man, I gotta watch chat, but like, here, let me move the chat. Oh no, I can't even move the chat. Too much is going on right now, man. That planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep. All right, man. Come on, come on. Come on, BTC. All right, guys. So thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Right now, the 5-minute time frame, money flow is coming out, man. Thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. There is no trade. In today's Market Cipher video, we are talking about when there is a trade when it comes to thick money flow. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so. Make sure you watch the video that's going to be coming out in a few hours today. I just got to edit it. What are we at, man? Did we make it yet? Guys, y'all are killing me, man. Come on, 8 more likes. Give me 8 more likes and I can do the giveaway and then I can get off stream. 8 more likes. I'm really holding out for you guys. Holding out for a hero. Always tomorrow. My brother is Tino and he's Greek. You feel like I gotta be a special breed to be in more than one trade successfully? Nah, man. You just take your trade, bro. Listen, you take your trade and then you take profits and then you just like leave it, you know? And then like that's why I have 3 accounts so that I can just not even remember. Be close to you. And then you move on to the next one. But to enter multiple things at the same time, yeah, I would say like it's not impossible, but it's difficult. It is absolutely difficult. Come on, BTCZ. Man, I'm with you, bro. I want to hop off, man. This is my 5th day in a row streaming. All my streams are like 2.5 hours. So I'm tired, man. I gotta work on a video. I gotta chill out, and I gotta go touch some grass, man. I gotta go touch some grass, guys. The link for WAP is in the description down below. Just saying. Just saying. Okay, bang, 177 likes. Beautiful, guys. We hit the goal. We hit the target. Thank you for that. Listen, let's do the bootcamp giveaway. So this is how it's gonna work, guys. Here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna tell you how it's gonna work. I'm gonna put you to work for it, though. Whoever wins, okay? Whoever wins first can choose whether or not they want the 3 months of VIP or if they want the boot camp of their choice. Okay, there's going to be 2 winners. Whoever wins first gets to choose which prize they want. Okay? Here's what we're going to do. Thinks there's always tomorrow. I'm gonna post the link. Okay, I'm gonna post a YouTube short right now. I'm gonna post a YouTube short right now, and I'm gonna drop the link for you. Everybody, go like and comment on that YouTube short. I don't care what you guys write. You can write whatever you want, but there has to be this like alert emoji. Okay. It has to have that emoji in it. Go comment anything you want. It could be just the emoji. It could be words with that emoji. Anything you want. I'm about to hit post. I'll drop the link. Make sure you like it. You have to like it, or else no giveaway. And the first winner can choose whether or not they want the bootcamp giveaway or they want the VIP giveaway. Okay, I just posted it. Nah, you're the man, Justin Powers. That's you. Steven says, which video? It's uploading right now. It's a YouTube short. If it ever loads, ever. I don't want your number, no. Okay, this is the video. Go comment on this video. I'm gonna drop it right now. There is the video, guys. Go like it. Go leave a comment. First winner gets to decide whether or not they want the bootcamp giveaway or they want the bootcamp giveaway or VIP giveaway. You use the like alert emoji. Any alert emoji. How about that? Any like disclaimer. Tommy Luck, you like it and then you leave a comment. That's it. Like it, leave a comment, and it needs to be the alert emoji. It has to have any one of these emojis. Doesn't need to be like you could, or sorry, like it has to have that emoji, but you can write whatever you want if you even want to write. You don't have to write. Nice. Boom, let's go, baby. I think I am first. Well, Alessandro beat you. I wonder who is first. Hands beat everyone so far. It looks like it. All right, what time is it? I'm gonna do this. Okay, in 3 minutes, we're gonna do the first the first giveaway, and you can choose whether you want VIP or whether you want the boot camps. And you get 3 months VIP, guys. 3 months. Is your love from me? Trying to holler at me. We don't like cats here. No, we do not. We love turtles. Yo, the goat. Let's go. Love from India. Man, I'm sweating on this treadmill. It's hot AF down here. Now I'm holding on. Yeah, yeah. It's okay, guys. If you don't get the emoji, it's okay. 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 Man, you guys really like my cat's disclaimer, eh? Okay, I can't go through all these. All right, man. Bitcoin's dumping. BTCZ is DUMPZing. Why are you sweating, bro? All right, don't tell me you're long. Nobody should be long right now. Nobody should be long right now. I said it yesterday, guys. It's time to close the longs. All right, how many? Where are we at? What are we at? How many are we at? Disclaimer. All right, 76 comments. Guys, you have to like it as well. If you win and you don't like it, you're not going to win. And make sure you hit the like as well. Joey revolutionized trading. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, and we're at a macro low. Retail right now, you know who's shitting themselves? Whoever was swing long from like the low, but now they didn't take profit, and now their entry is like either a little bit underwater, or they're back at the entry, and they're like, oh shit, okay, it's gonna bounce because this is support, and I know how to draw lines because YouTube taught me how to draw a line, and YouTube taught me that drawing a line means support, and that I should be doing geometry instead of doing money in a game of money. And so right now they're like, okay, I'm just gonna add to my margin. It's gonna bounce. It's gonna bounce. I was in profit. Damn it, man. I was up 5 grand. Now I'm down 1 grand, but it's gonna bounce. It has to. I'm just gonna long it here. And you know what's funny? Is this wick is gonna be disgusting. It is going to be disgusting. I don't even think that this is we're gonna tap here. I do not. Listen, the longer we just chill right here, I think the harder we fall through. The longer we chill here, I think the harder we fall through. If we fall real quick, bang, bang right now. Okay, bang, bang right now. If we chill here for like a while, oh, baby, it's gonna bleed, in my opinion. But what do I know? What do I know? Clearly, you guys have read my disclaimer, have you not? All right, what time is it? Okay, 1 more minute, guys, and we're gonna do the bootcamp giveaway or the VIP giveaway. The booty VIP giveaway. Oh, biggest win you've ever had. Nice, man. I hope I influenced that. People expecting a magic bounce. People are not following the money, my friend. People are not following the money. Phone's about to die. Let you know that I won. I will, bro. I will. It'd be cool if you actually did. Come on, Bitcoin. Give me that booty, baby. Let's go. Dump it. Dump it. Dumper, dumper, dumper. Thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. That looks like pretty thick money flow to me. Come on, let's get that quick wick. I'm gonna get ready, guys, with my finger on the long button. I'm not necessarily gonna take it. And if I do take it, and I tell you that I take it, don't copy me because you guys are like 30 seconds delayed. And I might already be out of the trade by the time you get into the trade. So don't do it. Okay? Also, in the interest of science, all content presented is a complete joke. It should not be taken seriously. Joseph is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer. Definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Justin Trudeau's a virgin. Cats. That's all I have to say. Just cats. Always do your own research. Viewer discretion is advised. We're doing the giveaway in like 30 seconds here. How many comments are we at? 91 comments. Beautiful. Make sure you guys like the video. Otherwise, you're not going to win. Okay, come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Give it to me, baby. Put your loving hand out, baby. 'Cause I'm begging. All right, man. All right. All right. All right. Okay, let's get it going. Let's get her going. Filter duplicate users. Solve some. Remember, guys, the first winner gets to decide whether or not they want the boot camp or whether they want 3 months of VIP. begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. All right. Begging you. Oh man, this is a copyrighted song. Oop. Okay, guys. Number one, winner. Winner. Oh, bang! Rendell wins, man. Yo, listen, Rendell, bro, you won before. I'm still gonna give you the winner, but I'm gonna do another one. So we're gonna do two more because I don't want the same winner. We're gonna go two more. Congrats, though, bro. You can pick what you like. Okay. All right, there you go. First winner is Shane Steen. Okay, you are the winner, sir. Do me a favor. On the same page that you're on, make sure you have like the button. Make sure you've hit the like button. Okay, make sure you have hit the like button. Come on the top right of your screen or your phone or whatever. DM my moderators your username here. Let them know if you want the boot camp or if you want the VIP for 3 months. And then if you decide that you want a boot camp, let them know which one you want. Okay, just a quick reminder, guys. I have 4 boot camps currently. Key zones in building the narrative, market cipher B and time frames, market structure, and order blocks and liquidity. Okay, my 4 boot camps. Rendell, you do the same thing. I already know who you are, obviously. I already know who you guys are, who you are, obviously. Okay, what do we have, guys, here? The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. We know we're at a very local low, or sorry, a very macro low. We know we're waiting for the SFP. We know that the green vector candles like to get recovered. Okay, no different than this green vector. No different than this one. No different than this one. This is, we know that they want to recover this. Okay, so perhaps now on the 1 minute time frame, we get something like this. This money flow continues to the upside. Boom, boom, boom. Perhaps we get something like that. We shall see. All right. Winner number 2. Let's refresh just in case there were new people. Up on that. Oh. Did not mean to do that. All right, man. Oh, also, wait. Whoever won the first one, I don't remember who it was. I'm sorry. Who won it? Somebody go back. Who won it? Let me know in the chat here which one you want. Do you want the boot camp? You know what? No, it's okay, bro. Shane. No, it's all good, Shane. Don't even worry. Shane, if you let us know. Do you want, or let me know now. Do you want the boot camp or do you want the VIP? And then DM my mods because I need to know who won what while we're still on live. While you answer that for me, I am going to hit the new giveaway. Boom. And boom. Lauren M.O.G. Lauren Mogg. You are the second winner. Okay, congratulations. If Shane decides that Shane wants the boot camp, then you win the VIP. If Shane decides he wants the VIP, then you win a boot camp. Same story. Head on over to the same screen. Make sure you have hit the like button. On the top right, click your profile. DM one of my moderators in the Discord this screen. And depending on what Shane says right now, will determine on what your prize is. If you decide you want the boot, if he gives you the boot camp, this is like we're like playing Price is Right, and it's like the showcase showdown. And do you take the first one or do you take the second one? If Shane decides that he wants the boot camp, then you get the VIP, and if he decides he wants the VIP, then you get the boot camp, and you can let my moderators know which one you want, and I will get it all sorted out for you. Shane, bro, I gotta know which one you want. Lauren says crazy first time you've ever won. Well, congratulations, Lauren. I hope that whatever you get gives you a lot of value. I'm happy that this is the first time you've ever won something, and I'm happy that I could have helped provide that to you. Congrats, guys. Congrats. Okay, so market structure right now on the 5. For me to be convinced, I would want to take this high. Okay, this high is pretty far ways away, obviously. But let's see, man. Again, I'm going to say this. We could go to 100K from here. I am not interested unless we sweep liquidity. I am not interested unless we take the low. And if we continue higher from here and I miss my TPs, then we continue higher and I miss my TPs. But I am not interested. And it could take hours, guys. It could take hours. We do have the signs right now for a bounce, okay? 45 minutes is giving us money flow divergences and momentum wave divergences. Okay, 15-minute time frame is looking pretty juicy, right? Money flow coming up. Momentum waves not really coming up, but it looks like we could have a decent bounce. And this bounce would be sexy if we just came a little bit lower. Blue vector candle means that it's likely to get recovered. This could take a few hours, guys. All right, Shane wants the boot camp. So, Lauren, you win the 3 months of VIP. Congratulations. I hope that I can help make you money over the next 3 months. And I hope that you can learn a couple things from the way I do things. And please, again, both of you guys, DM my moderators. Shane, DM my mods which bootcamp you want, and I will get that sorted for you. Guys, I'm going to head out. I will keep you guys updated in the VIP. You guys know what I want, okay? It's not up to what I want, but you know what I want. I want to come take the low. I don't think we come this low again without taking the low, okay? Let's see what happens here. I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord. And for my VIP members, as you know, my levels are there. I will see you guys later. Have a good one, everybody. Have a good weekend. Take care. See you on the other side. RIP Geobot, RIP Bitcoin.
Set my heart on fire.